Welcome to AussieJoshie in New Zealand. We hope you enjoy our video. You ready to have some fun? Let's go!
Duplo Tractor. You gonna open that up? Wow, what's inside? Have a look. Big truckie. Wow, there's one piece. That looks like the wheels. Whoa, there's more pieces. Anything else left in there, Joshie? Oh, it's a little man. Is that all? Do you want to make the little man stand up, Joshie? Do you know how to do that? Show Daddy. Wow, he's a cool little fella. He's a farmer. Do you know how to put the tractor together? Oh, well done. Ah, Joshie, you're so good. Where does the little man go? In there? Let's have a look. Wow, what a cool tractor. Are you going to put the driver in this? He's the farmer. Oh. Perfect. Wow, that's a cool truck. What goes faster, the tractor or Gordon? Gordon goes faster, does he? Alright, we'll have a race. Alright, we'll put the tractor right over here. Put Gordon next to him. On your mark. Turn Gordon on. Oh, there goes Gordon. Oh, the tractor's trying to keep up. Oh, it's gonna fall off the edge.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more fun videos.